Hi everyone, this is our work list for Tuesday the 19th of January. So good morning or good afternoon whenever you're watching, whenever you're looking at this, whether it's Monday, today, yesterday, stuck in a time warp, whatever day. Anyway, this is Tuesday 19th of January's work list. Imagination is more important than knowledge. Our quote comes from Albert Einstein and I love that one, okay? It's all well and good having the knowledge, having the facts and figures, but it's the imagination that is important when it comes to applying that knowledge. Okay, so we have for English today, we have Away with Words, page 54 and 55. So we have a story, the day Pompey died, and some questions to go with that. And as I said, there will be a video of me reading the story for you, if that helps. So keep an eye out for that. It should be there now, because I have that scheduled to go up at 8:45 in the morning. So that should be there. Maths, I'm just giving you a Dear Maths for today because I think the Away with Words is quite long, okay? The story is quite long and there are 10 good questions, so I'll just give you, we won't give any busy at maths today. And instead of that, guys, remember you can write on the page, take a picture of it and upload it, or which will be lovely because it's important to keep track of our handwriting. But you can open a Google Docs like I showed you yesterday and type the answer. It's completely up to you, okay? And geography, we're sticking with our theme of France at the moment, and there's a lesson up on Le Tour de France, a very famous cycling race that happens every summer, which happened actually in autumn this year, well, in 2020, due to the pandemic. And for Irish Colv, I'm sure we're looking at hobbies again. A quick recap on yesterday, and there'll be a story to read along to. Okay, you don't need anything. Okay, it will be a story from our Buan na Cainte, but I didn't send Buan na Cainte home. But it will be up on the page, a video of me reading it, so you can just follow along with it there. Okay, so have a great day, guys. Keep up the hard work. I'm absolutely delighted. I've been talking to other teachers in the school and I have been singing your praises at our meetings. The teachers have meetings regularly and I have been singing your praises. You're absolutely, really taking this with both hands and running with it, guys. I'm really, really impressed and I'm very proud of all of you. So keep it going. Have a great day and I shall talk to you later.